dance?
Hello. Why do you sound surprised?
Well, no, I've always seen you as a serious academician of some sort.
Hello. Why do you think serious people don't have fun?
Are you not supposed to be obsessed with books and research papers?
Wow, really? I will prove you wrong.
I'm waiting. But I'm sure I can do better than you.
Come on!
You know, I used to be called Master Captain. A man, you know it, you know it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl again, and today I bring you guys another new movie. The name of this movie is Love at Dusk. Okay, now this movie is starring Clinton Joshua, fine boy Clinton Joshua, Kanayo Kanayo, Precious Akeze, along other amazing actors, actresses, cast, and crew. Now, to this movie proper. This movie is what I would refer to as a breath of fresh air. Yes, that is just what it is. It is a breath of fresh air from all the young love, young romance, my boss, my this, my that, all those kind of movies. It is a breath of fresh air and I am loving it. Okay. Now, this movie you would think it's the typical when you see the posters and everything, you would think it's the typical young fine boy meets young fine girl and they fall in love. No, this time it's the parents falling in love and it was so beautiful to watch. This movie teaches that see you can find love at any time and at any age as long as it is genuine. Please, I am all for it. Now, before I go deep down into the movie, I want to ask you if you have maybe widowed parents, maybe probably the mom is missing or the dad is missing on both sides, would you be open to allowing your parents find love? Okay, would you be open to it? To me, in my own opinion, if a couple is widowed, or I don't want to put divorced because I'm not an advocate of divorce, but especially if it's like maybe things that can be sorted, but if it comes to what do they call it, violence, please get divorced. But that aside, now let's put it in the space of widowed. Okay, maybe one loses the other spouse. In my opinion, after a couple of years when they have healed, because losing a spouse is not easy, after they have healed, I think they should be open to love. Okay, I think if you find love and you're open to it, why not? God is love. This word has enough love to give. I think we actually need more people falling in genuine love, not love that you need to gain something or you're out to gain something. Genuine love in its purest form. And this movie portrayed it. See, I could actually see in this movie that they enjoyed the process of making this movie. You could see that twinkle, you could see that laughter, you could see that vibe. It was all in this movie. And funny enough, I thought I would be grossed out. The starting of the movie, when I started feeling like, oh, it was actually these two old people that were going to fall in love. I thought, okay, maybe at a point in the movie I would get grossed out because let's be honest, when we see our parents being mushy and all that, we are sometimes grossed out by it. But no, I wasn't grossed out by this movie. All I could see was this love in this movie was so beautiful to watch. And Kanayo, I think he did an amazing job. You know, Kanayo was one of those actors that me personally, I grew up seeing him always in Ogwego movies, sacrifice movies. They are doing juju, they are killing this person or they are killing that person. But seeing him in another light, seeing him falling in love, seeing him having fun while acting this role, it was so beautiful to watch. And I want to give him his flowers. This was an amazing project. Thumbs up to the producer Uchenna Umbanubo and Kanayo because I think he co-produced this movie. It was so beautiful to watch. I don't know whoever did the casting of this movie, but you did a good job. thumbs up on this movie. And the kids in the movie, yes, they weren't open at first to seeing their parents falling in love, but later when they saw how genuine and how unhappy they were being apart from each other, they later came back to bring their parents together. And it was so beautiful to watch. See, the amount of times I've said so beautiful to watch in this review is like, I think I've said it like more than 5 times. That is to tell you how amazing this movie is. I think everybody should give love a chance. Be genuine over your feelings when you are in love with somebody. There's no need for deceiving somebody. If you're not in love with somebody, please let the person go. But if you genuinely feel somebody, love for somebody, please go all out for it. Okay, I love this movie. I swear, I really, really love this movie. Thumbs up to this movie, and you can watch this movie at Kanayo or Kanayo TV. That is where I watched it from. So you can watch it at Kanayo or Kanayo TV. And guys, let me know what you guys think about this movie. Okay, please drop your comments. I want to know what you guys think. And please answer the question. Would you allow your widowed parents fall in love? If you were in that situation, would you allow it? Okay. Thanks guys. This is the part where I say please like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel and endeavor to watch to the end. If you've watched this point, you are an MVP. Thank you for always coming through for your girl. Okay, thank you, and we're off to the next one. Bye.